In this video, you will learn how to get precise address for a location and navigate using Google Maps. This video was captured using iPhone XS Max and iOS 14.7.1. You can identify your location precisely using What 3 Words app. This app has given a unique 3 words address for every 10 square foot. If you haven't already downloaded the app, go to App Store and search for What 3 Words and install the app. You can use this 3-word address of any location to navigate using the navigation apps like Google Maps, Waze, and Apple Maps. To search or navigate to a location, go to What 3 Words app. If someone would have shared a 3-word address of a location, you can scan using your camera. You can also say any 3-word address using your microphone. Another way is to use the search bar on top. For example, you can search for Panera Bread and pick the one from the list. Now, you can see the entire map that has been divided into small 10-foot squares. Each of these squares has been given a unique 3-word address. If you would have parked on any of the square next to Panera Bread, and you want to ask your friend to meet you there, then you can provide the 3-word address for that specific square. Your friend can use that 3-word address to come to the exact location. Press the Navigate button at the bottom to select any of the navigation apps that are available in your phone. If you select the Google Maps for the navigation, 3-word address is transferred to the Google Maps as destination. You choose or enter the from location and start the navigation. What 3 Words is very useful if you plan for a meet at a public place like a park or beach. You can pick a specific location and share the 3-word address of that location with your friends or family members. For instance, if you want to ask everyone to come to a specific spot at Belmar Beach, then share the 3-word address of your location. Otherwise, you can choose a location in advance and share the 3-word address to plan for the meet. Hope you enjoyed this video.